What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're going on another adventure in this guy right here. No, we're not going to go pick up any goats or chickens or pigs or anything like that. We're actually driving to California to go and pick up another Sportline LE 190. So we're going to go ahead and take you guys with us. I guess we're going to see if it's worth driving 14 hours for there and back. So I guess let's check it out. You know, one thing that's crazy, gas here is only $4.50. Over there by our house, deeper in Arizona, it's like $6 a gallon. Why is it that the closer I'm getting to California, the better the gas prices are? That don't make no dang sense. Not only that, but you know I had to go stop and get some snacks. Come on now. Back on the road we go. So check out the new member of the family, guys. This is it. Another 201 Sportline LE. This thing is freaking clean. This almost makes my car look sad. Door cards are all in great condition. The seats look brand new in this thing. Even the driver's seat, the bolsters hug you as they should perfectly. Again, door cards are perfect. Seats are super nice. Something that does kind of throw me off a little bit is it doesn't have the red here or here. In every other Sportline I've had, and I do have, it does have that. But it does have all the carbon trim as it should. Very nice, no cracks. The dash is perfect. I'm super impressed with it. I love this thing, man. All I could say is thank you to the guy that hit me up on getting this thing. Probably one of the best purchases I've ever done. Alright guys, so far I've been driving it for about 45 minutes. This thing is doing amazing. I mean, it is flawless. I couldn't be happier with this car, man. Alright guys, as you can see, we did make it home. Unfortunately, we ran into a rainstorm last night. That's why this car looks filthy now. It's definitely going to have to be clay barred, waxed, buffed, polished, the works, man. This thing needs the treatment after the ride it just gave me. It drove flawless. I mean, perfect. But check out this interior, though. The interior is still mint. It's still ridiculously clean. I mean, look at this, guys. Dash is perfect. All the carbon pieces are nice. They're not even cracking. Out here in Arizona, man, if the heat gets to this stuff, the seats start cracking. You barely touch it like this and you hear it just kind of crack. You're like, oh no. But nah, man, not this car. This car really is perfect. I mean, seriously, I could not be any happier with how it performed, how it drove, how it took corners, everything. But seriously, probably one of my new favorite cars obviously, other than my LE. But, yeah. This thing is definitely going to need to get a treatment, man. This thing needs to be very, very dolled up because of how nice and perfect it treated me. It didn't skip a beat, by the way. I drove it, what was it, 380 miles, so pretty much 400 miles all the way to Cali back, and it did perfect. Flawless, even. I mean, and believe it or not, it actually got better gas mileage, which is a little bit disappointing, than my GLK. How that happened is beyond me. But, in all reality, amazing. Just perfect. I could not be any happier. Like I said, I don't even know how many times I could say it. But, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe if you haven't yet. We'll definitely be doing a lot of stuff to this. It's going to get a full treatment. We're going to do everything under the sun to it. Unfortunately, I am waiting for a part on that car to be finished so that we can get that sucker painted. But other than that, this right here is going to be the new daily. The red 190 that's hiding over there is probably going to be getting sold now that I just picked this up. But that's besides the point. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.